Ever wanted to impress your friends with Korean phrases but didn't know where to start? Get ready to dive into the world of everyday Korean expressions. These phrases will take your language skills to the next level. Stick around to uncover the secrets of mastering Korean conversation. Whatever I have to share with you today, I have learned everything from Hailey Mam. Whatever little bit Korean I can speak, it's all and all because of Hailey Mam. I will leave the link in the description. I will leave the link of Hailey Mam's channel in the description. You can go and check. Ma'am videos are brilliant, and I feel so great that I'm student of Hailey Mam. Okay, so let's get started. First one is what happened. Okay, if you see your friend sad, okay, let's take an example. If you see your friend sad, and if you go and ask your friend what happened, then you can say this in Korean as 무슨 일 있었어요. 무슨 일 있었어요. Then, did you eat something? Okay, if you wanna ask your friends or family members, did you eat something? Did you eat something? You can just ask 밥 먹었어요. 밥 먹었어요. Then maybe, if you wanna say maybe, let's take an example. If your friend is asking you, will you learn Korean this Sunday? Then you say, maybe, I'm not sure whether I learn or I will not. I'm not sure. So you'll say maybe, right? So you can say that as 아마도요. 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 Then, if you have to say I'm sorry, how can you say that in Korean? 죄송합니다. 죄송합니다. And this is formal. If you have to say this in informal, you will say 미안해. But informal, you can say 죄송합니다. 죄송합니다. And I'm so sorry, these pronunciations are not perfect. I'm still learning Korean. I just wanted to help you. I just wanted to share whatever I have learned till now with you. So I'm not so experienced. Whatever little bit I have learned, I'm sharing with you. So these pronunciations are not that good, but I'll try my best to pronounce as good as I can. Okay, so the next one is 좋은 아침이에요. This means good morning. So if you have to say your parents good morning, then you can say 좋은 아침이에요. 좋은 아침이에요. 좋은 아침이에요. 좋은 아침이에요. And in informal, you can say 좋은 아침, 좋은 아침, 좋은 아침, 좋은 아침, 좋은 아침. Then you know what, okay, let's say you are in between of your friends and you're having some conversation. You all are having conversation. Then just to get attention, you can just say you know what, right? You say you know what. So you can say this in Korean as 있잖아요. 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 Then nice to meet you. nice to meet you, you can say as 만나서 반가워요. 만나서 반가워요. 만나서 반가워요. 만나서 반가워요. Then, so if you go to the restaurant, right, the owner of restaurant will say welcome, welcome, right? So he'll say that as 어서 오세요, 어서 오세요, 어서 오세요, 어서 오세요, 어서 오세요. Then what's this? Okay, what is this, right? If you have seen something unknown or something shocking, then you'll say what's this. So you can say that as 이거 뭐예요, 이거 뭐예요, 이거 뭐예요, 이거 뭐예요. Then you can do it. Okay, you can do it. You can say this as 힘내세요, 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 힘내세요. And so 힘내세요 is formal, right? So in informal, if you have to say you can do it, we say fighting, fighting, right? But I think in formal we say this as 힘내세요. If you have to say, for example, you're having your food, okay, and that food is delicious, and if you have to say this is amazing, so how can you say that? 정말 맛있어요, 정말 맛있어요, 정말 맛있어요, 정말 맛있어요. What are you doing? Okay, if you have to ask your friend what are you doing, you can simply say 뭐 해요, 뭐 해요, 뭐 해요, 뭐 해요. Okay, and if you have to 뭐 해요 is actually it's formal. So if you have to ask your mom what are you doing, you can say 뭐 해요. But if you have to say this to your friend, you can say 뭐 해, 뭐 해, 뭐 해. Okay, then I'm thirsty. How can you say this? I'm thirsty. You can simply say محملايو, 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 محملايو. So that's it. I hope this will help. I'm so sorry because my pronunciations are not that good, but I tried my best to pronounce as good as I can. I just wanted to share whatever I have learned till now from Hailey Mam. So I hope this video will help you, I hope this will help you a little bit. So if you like this video, then please like and subscribe, because I keep creating such videos on this channel. Take care, see you soon, bye bye.